Okay. So you should be able to see Chris's is running here. So if I buy something, I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna put in 20 bucks. Whoops, what happened there? Hang on. Hang on. Yeah, something screwy. Okay, so there's that. All right, there's that. Comes back here. All right, it's okay, I think. See, it's already got that in. Shouldn't let me type. Clear that. Why isn't that clearing? Okay, let's check something first, I guess. Uh, Tender comes back. All right, and then so look under activated. Oh, you guys need to get rid of this. So turn your clear on so that when you go back to that form, that it clears out the tendered amount. Okay?
So we should have the clear and activated?
You should have it activated now. There shouldn't be, it shouldn't be rummed out. Because when you run it, you want, when you go back to that screen, you want it to clear the amount out of there. Because watch. So let's say I buy a pet rock or whatever it is. I go over here and I think, wait a minute, I'm going to pay for that. I'm put $5 in. And I say, wait a minute, I got enough, I got a 10. Maybe I'll go buy something else. So then when I go back here and I add something like, I don't know, rock pants and click next, this should be cleared out because now it's over $5 even that I originally put in there. So make sure you unclick or uncomment that out. And then you got to put in your amount to pay. Should come out like that. And you should be over here on your receipt screen. All right. So this is the hard part, okay? It works sometimes, it doesn't work other times, but I want you, let's see, how are we going to do this? Let's go over here to Blackboard and under assignments and bring up, see if this is what I'm looking for. Yeah. Right here is something called code text. If you click on it, you'll see this thing. Okay. And so there's all this code from like Microsoft did this, by the way, not me. So we need to create this thing. All right. So we got to figure out what it is we actually need on that form. Okay. So some of the stuff we need is like a PSD, a PPD, I think it is. Oh, and a PDoc. Okay. So let's look at that and see what we can do. Again, sometimes this gets a little hairy. So, all right. So I'm going to open up. Let's see where we at. Receipt. And let's go ahead and I know one thing we can add right away. And that is a button. Well, let's do this first. Let's make sure that we have that turned on. Turn off your auto scale mode to none. Back color. I don't know what he had in his other ones. Something in blue, I guess it is. Anyway, whatever color background you want. And it's a 12. Dark turquoise is what he's got. So dark turquoise. Let's start a font at like, I'm going to leave it at that 825 for now. And back color was a turquoise or something. Medium turquoise. All right, and then I need a button. And I'll just put it back here. There, increase that font. This is going to be BTN new sale. And name it ampersand new sale. And change the font. Like that. And then let's scroll down here. Okay. I know we need a print document. And we're going to name it just PDoc. Okay. And then we need print preview control. And let's find what I called that. when did I say this was? Print preview. Button, print preview. It's always fun to try and find the. We're gonna call it, I think, PPD. Well, let's try that. Oops. Oh, come on, what happened here? I think we might have to just. Okay, maybe not. Again, I do this so often, you know. New print. Okay, we're going to instantiate that, it looks like. Instead. All right, for main load. Get that. I don't know what else I need besides that. Okay, so let's try and get 3 more buttons: page setup, print dialog, and print preview, I guess. Print preview, print dialog, page setup, new sale. I think we need a text box though somewhere. Okay, let's try. I think this is it. Where did it go? So you got a text here. Let's call it text document. I don't know. And then there should be a multi-line. It's true. And you should be able to stretch that out then. Something to that effect, I think. Let's take a look at the one in, if I can find it. So here is the receipt. Oh, come on. Okay, so there's a print preview button, a print dialog button, and a page setup button. So we need those. So so this one was what? Print preview, print dialog. This is print preview. One's button page setup. Something to that effect, I think. We'll save that. Yeah. So get those named and like that.
I can't get the text box to resize vertically.
Multi-line, turn it to true.
Gotcha.
Oh, we need to rename those. The one is button dialog, the next one's button preview, and the other one's button page. So go back. So this will be button preview, BTN preview. No print. This one will be button dialog, no print. And this one should be, what was it? Button preview, button dialog, button page. Okay, so this one's button page, just no setup. Okay. And then let's look some more. That's those ones. Form receipt, that's all right. Show screen receipt, that's fine. Pages of foundation printing event. Okay, that was a eDoc, that's what we called it. Okay. Calculate, instantiate the string format class. Okay. That looks good. Button new. Let's rename the button sale to button new. The button that we had new sale, let's just make it button new. And then save. Now you gotta find one other thing, what I called the text box. From page to the yeah, okay. Text document, isn't that what we called it? I think we did. Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to try this. I want you to go over to Blackboard and copy this. This is the text or the file in number lesson 15. So just grab it like that. And Control C it. And bring it over here. Go here. And I'm going to try and put it in here. Let's see what happens. Okay. So it's already got this form receipt. I can get rid of what is going on. Form receipt and here's for this form. Let's try this. It's better. It must not have an end class down at the bottom. See one error. Why is PDOT not? Okay, everything but the PDOT looks okay, it looks like. What is it saying? Huh? I don't understand that. There's an error there. So it's decimal net sale. Total is gross sale. So that's fixed. Clear click. This is not named that, it's not main, it's like load string items. That's fixed, and then this, we just need to go to the POS screen and turn the clear button in the code to public. For some reason, it's right here. I think I cleared all my errors. Let's see what happens if anything. There you go. And let's see here if we get, there's my print preview. Print dialog. Page setup. They're all there. And new sale goes right there. Okay. So how did I do that? I just took that code, pasted it in, and then looked for red underlines. Okay. The first one I had was a PDOC problem where it had declared, it said that I had duplicate So all you had to do with that one is just run the one out, okay? And then there were some names problems in here. One was it had DC net, ours is D set net sale. And then the one down here should be gross sale. And I fixed those. And then when it prints, I want to find one other thing here because it's 12 is fine. That's an old one. Okay. So that look, the rest of it looks pretty good. I don't think I had any other errors. Okay. So whose doesn't, so save that once you get it running like that. But I'm sure, who does not have one that runs?
I don't have any build errors, but it doesn't do anything.
Wait a minute. You don't have any errors, but it doesn't do anything.
Right.
Did you already have a receipt form in there?
Yes.
So does it get to the receipt form?
Yeah.
All right, we'll start with yours because it sounds like yours is bad.
Okay.
So I'm going to stop sharing.
How do I do a screen share here?
Should have a, once I give you permission, you should have, get towards the bottom edge of that and it should say share screen. Should have a green button like that.
Please request.
Be different. Where's it at on your guys? Somebody answer him.
Where's what?
He needs his screen share button.
Oh, I see it here.
It's at the bottom in the center.
Well, that's what I thought. There you go.
That working?
Yep. Okay, well, yours isn't even getting past the change form.
So do you want me to run it for you here first?
Well, you got a bunch of problems here.
What's up?
I thought you said yours ran.
It does run.
Oh, you can get rid of these unused. Those are warnings, but yeah, run it.
I mean, nothing goes on.
Now, why is your program not running?
Well, it just ran.
Well, we didn't see it.
Oh, that might be because of the screen share.
You're sharing your whole screen, not just your, you have to share your whole screen, not just this part of it. When you start the screen share,
Yeah.
it'll ask you, do you want to share the whole screen or just the application?
Yeah, I just chose the application here.
Well, we can't do that, then we can't see it running.
Yeah, hold on. I'm trying to get out of the Zoom record thing to change the, okay. Does that work?
Yes, now we can see it.
All right.
Well, you didn't buy anything. We got that and okay. All right. Okay, so stop it. All right, let's see your design of your receipt. And dialog setup. Okay, let me see your names. Oh, I know what's wrong already.
What's up?
Add a PDoc.
Um,
You didn't put it down. Keep note, print document, yeah. Drag print document, no, cancel that. Now, change the name to PDoc. And that was print dialogue. No, I don't want that. I want print document. Okay. Oh, you already got this. You got something already called, yeah.
yeah, so when I copied the code in here, it deleted my form, or like it got rid of all the tools in there, all the controls. When I copied the code from Blackboard into
Yeah,
into my into that
you got
form,
rid of anything.
it deleted all my controls, and so I had to restart my design.
Okay.
It did that for mine too.
So I had to make
So-
another one.
Okay, so now just don't do them one by one, geez. Go up to edit. Find and replace.
It's a quick.
Yeah.
find.
Now PDoc is fine. Down below it, put PDoc1. Okay, save it or run. Off to the right there, the second one. Nope, down. That one, hit it. Okay, hit okay. Okay, close that. Okay, now try it. Why is that? You got. Close it. Go up to, yes, hit that. I can't see the top up of your, try to rebuild it. PDoc1. Let me see your errors. Scroll up through them. I don't know what you got. Yes. You got so many error or things going on. I don't know. Scroll down to the bottom or down so I can see. Go down to the bottom there. Stay there. Ah, jeez. Must begin with the uppercase character. Oh, that's not true. What the hell? Let's begin with PDoc11. Double click that. How many? Hang on. You got way too many, yeah, find that,
That should be PDoc 1, right?
yeah.
All right, here, I'll do your-
And this is only because you got. Try running it again, save it and run it. Wait, it's got a red line under it. Put your mouse over to PDoc 1 there. Ambiguous because multi, you got. Not true. Try rumming that one out. Or put a single or make it a comment.
Make it a common.
Comment,
What, just this line here?
yeah. Hang on a minute. You don't have to put the zeros.
No. I'm just gonna recopy and paste it.
Yeah, there's something. Now, before you do that, okay, get rid of it.
Mhm.
Go. Let me see receipt form again. Let me see your names again. Ooh. All right. So now just go to the, just paste it in. Okay. See, none of it, okay. What did you call your text document? Hang on. Go back to the designer. What happened there?
I don't know.
Can you undo it?
No,
Do again.
I mean, there's nothing to click.
Oh,
So I'll just remake the form again. What was the last one called?
there was dialogue pay, I don't know, I can't get to my screen.
Preview.
What was it? Dialogue, page,
Page preview. Yeah.
and preview.
Yeah.
You need a text box. And that's text document,
Yep.
TXT document. Then you need a PDoc. Yeah, just name it PDoc. Why does it keep saying that?
Because I think the form is still the original form. I need a PDoc. I think that probably has something to do with it.
But I don't understand. Okay. All right, now scroll down or scroll up.
Scroll up.
Yeah, right, stop, go down. Nope, go back up. All the way to the top.
Yes.
Look, let's see, put your mouse over that.
I spelled receipt wrong.
We'll just fix it here, change it somewhere, I don't care.
I spelled it RECIEPT.
Okay,
Class statement needs to end class statement.
right, you need a class end at the bottom. And then, hang on a minute. You must have misspelled button preview.
Well, now all the buttons are
But oh, yeah, they're all,
all, so I don't think.
okay. Stop sharing, get rid of that receipt, spell it right, make the buttons right, and then try the code.
All right.
But you're gonna have to get rid of the code and, yeah, get rid of this too. And then get rid of the receipt and clear out as much as you can of where it's all, because you need to redo it.
All right.
This form receipt right here, get rid of it. And then start from there, okay? Stop sharing so we can answer other questions. Who else? Everybody else's is running except Isaac's.
The PDoc is giving me issues.
What do you mean?
Like that is like PDoc is underlined in the code,
Yeah,
and then I was getting the same error where like if I open up my receipt design, like it's just blank. But if I like comment out all of the code that we copied over, it comes up just fine. Like something with that PDoc is breaking like the form.
wait. So you get the form to come up, but it doesn't fill in? Or did you rewrite the code so it works?
No, I just like I have the code the same as what we copied from that text document,
Right.
and PDoc is underlined everywhere that it's in there.
And what does it say?
PDoc is ambiguous because multiple kinds of members with this name exist in the class form receipt.
Okay, so go down to your errors, like I did.
Hmm.
And the first error should be PDoc or something. And you double click it and go to that and run it out.
Okay, that was it.
And it works now, right?
Yeah.
All right. Who else? Okay, Isaac, put us back on when you're ready. No, you gotta get rid of all that, yeah. Put end class at the bottom, we know that's wrong. Right above that, get rid of that, yeah, and go to initialize, there you go. Hang on. Don't change the P dot.
All right.
That should be decimal growth. That's it, gross sale. All right,
We're leaving the P doc as in there.
yes, now scroll up all the way to the top of your errors. Down at the bottom, all the way at the top. Whoa. Click on
Okay.
one that says P doc is ambiguous, yes, double click it.
Where does it say that? Right here?
Right there, yes. And nope, don't do that one. Go up. PDOC is already declared all the way at the top. All the way at the top of that there. Run that one out.
Like comment it out?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, now run it. Wait, hang on. Form receipt is not declared. Did you name it right this time? Yeah. Double click that error. Double click it
I don't know where you see that. Oh,
right there. Get rid of that.
get rid of it?
Or just change, spell it right. Spell it right, I'm sorry. Okay, now get rid of that. There you go. There you go. And then handle clause for, yes. Events containing, all right, now try it. Save it, build it or whatever and try it.
Yeah, no.
No, this time. Decimal, decimal. Penny you don't need there. I'm trying to see where your problem is. Run it again. Hit yes. I shouldn't, don't know. You got some other errors. I don't know if they're causing this. I mean, all those, the ones that are red X's down there, you need to fix. Double click that. Windows clause requires a with events. Where's that at? The bottom. Do you have a button new?
In the receipt, yeah. Unless I misnamed it this time. Did.
But next. Okay, that should go away. And then use compound statements. I don't know what in the hell that is. This is not the problem now. I don't scroll up because I don't see any red marks.
All right.
Go back to your tendered screen. Not that it's going to affect anything.
Tendered screen.
Let's see, where's it at? Penny. No, change. I'm sorry. You got all kinds of errors on your change screen. That one we don't need. A constant penny, get rid of that line. Get rid of decimal penny on the next, nope, leave that decimal dollar. Decimal dollar, hang on. Show dollar. Stop, you're moving. Oh, the string. You can get rid of that decimal dollar one too. Okay, so that got all those. Now, I don't know, must be uppercase. I have no idea what all those are. Zero error, zero warning, 30 messages. Double click that once and let's know that line. And change.
Oh, just wants me to do the. Minus.
It's just. Huh. But that shouldn't cause it. I mean, you got any other red ones in the list? Red X's?
No.
Just naming violations, right?
Yeah.
Huh.
So
Try go to build and rebuild it again.
rebuild it again.
Up and build, up at the top. Up and no, close that. Build solution. Try it.
Yeah. There you go.
Jeez,
What was wrong with it? Just the.
no idea.
All right.
Okay, so you need to put names on that, da, 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 clean it up,
Yeah.
splash screen, stuff like that yet, okay? Okay, stop sharing. All right, so on your own, what you're gonna do now is put in your, up here, okay? You go ahead and add, before you turn this in, you're gonna add all your stuff out here, like your program or project and your, what goes there? Oh, me. And your date. Author. The purpose. Don't forget those. Then you're gonna go down here and change this to what you want yours to be. So you name it whatever yours is, like Reeves will put Reeves Rocks or whatever. Phone number, that kind of stuff. Notice I added a time. This adds the time to the receipt. So you can take a look at that. And everything else just leave alone. And if it runs right, it should work like this. So you get here after you see the splash screen, hit next, come over here, type in 10 or whatever, hit next. See your change here. See your receipt here, and you can see it has the date and everything right down here. Your print preview should look like that, and you can make it bigger somehow. I forget where it is. And you should be able to see that once you, that's what your receipt's gonna look like. Print dialog should bring up your printer. If you're connected to a printer, it should be able to print. And if you want to change the page setup somehow, you can do that. Then once you've seen your receipt, you hit new sale and it goes back here. Don't forget, none of your forms except the first one should have buttons up here. Okay, so the only one with a control box, only form with the control box of true should be your POS. All right, and that should be it. That should be your, that program. Make sure you get it in your portfolio before Friday. Any questions?
Do you just, so we just zip it up and stick it on
Zip
file
it up and put it
exchange?
in your e-portfolio like you do all your other programs.
Yeah, okay.
Yep. So that's it. That's my song and dance, guys.
Are we gonna be in class on, we're gonna be in class this Wednesday, right?
If you want to drop in, that's fine. I don't have any additional things for you to do.
Okay.
So unless you have a problem or something like that, you can say it's a lab day. So
Okay.
Wednesday's a lab day.
Aren't we supposed to attend lab days? Aren't we supposed to attend the lab days?
Yeah, you can, but what if you don't have anything to do?
That's a fair point.
Just get it in. Get it in, and you're done. If you owe me any other ones, put them in there too.
I guess everybody's quiet today.
They're awful quiet. We're done. I don't know what you want me to do at this.
We stay as long as you stay. I don't know.
Well, I got somebody coming in at 2:30 or that too, I think. Maybe. All right, I'm gonna stop recording.